The World Migratory Bird Day is celebrated globally to create awareness on the conservation of birds and protection of their flyways. The 2018 celebration of the day by the Nigerian Conservation Foundation held at the Omo Forest Reserve, Area J4 in Ogun State, has the theme Unifying Our Voices for Birds Conservation. The Director General, Nigerian Conservation Foundation, Mutari Aminu Kano, represented by the head of Media and Publicity, Oladapo Shoneye, described migration of birds as a regular and seasonal movement of birds between their breeding sites, which is where they gave birth to the young ones, and their winter sites.
We have particularly some that actually migrate from Europe on yearly basis down to Nigeria and Southwest. Just the way we travel, people travel all the way from Europe down to Africa, the same way these birds come. So when people come, do we attack them? We usually accommodate them. We are so hospitable to them. We should do the same for this bird, allow them to exist.
He added that the north to the southern ends of Nigeria always play host to these wintering birds from Europe, hence the need to protect them and their habitats. Other speakers, which included the Biodiversity Officer, Omo Shasha Olua Forest Initiatives, Mrs. Stella Eroje, stated that the birds migratory is another form of adaptation for birds looking for a good temperature, which they mostly find in West African countries, especially Nigeria. And most of these birds spend at least 3 months before going back to their habitat.
So birds are also key species. They are indicators, they are pollinators, they help us to disperse seeds from one place to another. Every bird has a role to play in the environment. They also help us to understand changes in our weather conditions. So when you have climate changes, the behavior of the birds, how they migrate, their period of migration is affected. And with this, we can project future changes in our environment.
That's why a hunter, they see birds as food. And because of poverty, they need to eat, you have to shoot them, kill them, to glitter their pot and have something in their belly. So, but now that it's coming up for people to be educated on how to conserve them, I think there will be change of attitude towards that.
She identified destruction of birds' habitat as one of the factors militating against birds' migration, calling on government to promulgate law that will prohibit the killings of birds and other wildlife animals. The event was also targeted at the young ones to give priority to the safety of birds.